Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so coming in. Oh, let me do a quick top of the morning. There we go. All right, shout out to the one person that's come through and smashed a like. Yo, it is Monday, March 17th, just for those of you unable to see the date for some reason. I would say today I'm very much so looking at support and resistance. DGZ, top of the morning. Also want to check in on the stuff that I was in. So one that's a little bit wild is, hey, Sean and Yuri, top of the morning. What was it? QBTS, something like that. I think it was QBTS. Actually blasted even higher. Where'd it go? Oh shoot, hold up. Let's go to, this is how I had this. There we go. Can we see that? There we go. All right, cool. Okay, so yeah, this one looking a little wild, but we're up here close to all-time highs. DGZ been itching to ask. What have you been itching to ask? Ask away. Yeah, so KBTS up here, like close to all-time highs. I still stand behind that short I took. I might need to check the expiration, but I still think that's going to come down. Anthony, good morning. Master DRC, good morning. Nicole, good morning. All right, yeah, so that QBTS is interesting. Got to pull up Apple too. Let's see. Let me look at my positions. Or actually, hold up. Let's come. I feel like I got some that I just completely forgot about. UPST. I was just trying to ride it up to 60, but it just died. Let me look at that. Oh man, it hasn't broke. All right, let's see. Jay's, good morning. Think we're gonna have some choppy. Very, very well possible. So I think on the week, I think this week is going to be green. But when it comes to what goes on today and like the markets all around, I'm very, very confused. Like, honestly, today is, if I had to assume, it's probably going to be a no trade day for me, honestly. Good morning. Okay. QUBT had a pop, calls for April. Oh wait, hold on. You said QUBT. I have QBTS. Yeah, QUBT is still lagging, but QBTS, I'm like kind of doubtful. Like it's pretty much all time highs, but here let's look. QUBT, like it hasn't. Yeah, QUBT has a ways, but like if we look at QBTS, it's kind of weird the way they're moving. It's like they both kind of ran at the same time, like if you look. But yeah, QBTS is up here, like it just blasted to all-time highs pretty much, or pretty close. And then QUBT is nowhere near it. And then if we like pull up IonQ, the other one that's kind of right there with them, I was looking over this morning. It's already like the shares have run like they run 45% since I last picked them up. Yo, I definitely had a chart on this though. All right, let's see. Blousing, top of the morning, and good morning. Yoko, top of the morning. D-Scurv, good morning. Henry, good morning. Azure, good morning. And Bradley, good morning. Yeah, and as for what I'm looking at today, nothing specific. I mean, I got my eyes on QBTS. Just cause I feel like I might want to grab one more short on that. I don't know. Just cause my position's probably, or just cause the one I'm in is probably cheaper. Cause I think that'll kind of pay off. Hey, top of the morning, Big Reg. But overall, when it comes to the market, I feel like there's a lot of push and pull in different directions. Like this morning, I was looking at the charts. I was kind of confused, if I'm being real. Like, here, let's see the SPY. The SPY is down like 30 cents pre-market. You got all these quantum stocks. IronQ is up 2.5%. QUBT is up 20%. QBTS is up 14. Both QU. This what is it, QUBT? It hasn't quite, like, it's not quite compared to its chart. It's not quite with QBTS, but like looking at these three, QBTS is like extended. QUBT is kind of extended, but it's nowhere in relevance to where it's been. So I'm not sure how to look at those. My life be like top of the morning. Hope you had a peaceful weekend. Is KO here, I don't know about Coke. Let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't imagine Coke would go up today. Apple is possible. I think Apple's kind of partially going to depend on the market. I think Apple will rise. I think the next level will have trouble getting above is this trend line. Will it rise today? I don't know. Well, actually, first, I think it's going to have trouble getting above this EMA, which is around like 215. Then there's like, appears to be a little resistance at like 217. And then, next, I would say this trend line. And then you say TSLL, but I got to look at Tesla. Honestly, it's like they can, but I feel like once again, I'm not sure about Coke, but I feel like they're all at a level where there needs to be some sort of catalyst. The catalyst we kind of had today, or the catalyst we kind of would have had today, have already happened pre-market. So we need to see what is going to happen kind of coming into the day. Or, whenever the market opens. But yeah, honestly, like, looking at things, it's like I don't even know what to expect. It's kind of like a, sit and wait kind of day. It's like I feel like this week is going to be a green week. So once again, I'm not trying to like zoom in too close and try to play everything off the rip and act like I know what's going on. Top of the morning, Jennifer. Yeah, the data came out, and it's like now we need other like anything else. Chuhu was good. Life's good. God's good. Yeah, it's good. We're all here, all alive, all together. It's a lot good. Is this a witching? So the witching would be this week if there's one, because usually it's going to be the large expiration each month will be on the 21st, or not the 21st, but the third Friday. And then like this is actually the end of a quarter, or this is towards the end of a quarter. So yeah, it'll probably be a quad witching. So it'll be a big one. So yeah, this week I will say more than likely lead to the upside. But once again, like with the quantum, I'm leaning towards him like having some kind of, or some of them having a pullback. Ion Q might be able to go crazier, but let's see. What's your watch list for today? Honestly, I'm watching QBTS. I'm watching Apple. I'm just watching the stuff I'm in, but I don't think there's much going on. So like, honestly, watching the SPY. Yeah, I'm not I don't have anything specific that I'm watching that just looks like it's good. There probably going to be some large movers today, but not any that I'm aware of for their catalysts and whatnot. Now, when you say Tesla is dropping, is Tesla dropping like crazy, or is it just like, oh, $1 or $2? Because it's like Tesla's down like $4. That's not much movement for Tesla. That's normal. It's not anything to worry about. Be one thing if Tesla like dropped below 240, but I'll say right here it's kind of chilling. Let's see. I had it last week on my calendar, but it could be right. Could be right. It's possible. What do you think about so MSTR looks increasingly like a better, like something to get into. Like if we look at it on a weekly, I feel like it could still stand to pull back more, but it's like decent levels. It's like I just wouldn't want it until Bitcoin actually comes in and pulls back to close this gap like it's going to. So it's like it's kind of at okay levels, but yeah, when it comes and closes this gap, it's like, yeah, let's get in on that. Oh, good morning. Timothy, top of the morning. Mahishu, good morning. No, I want to make money on puts on Tesla. Here, let's see. Tesla is very much in the range though. So it's like if you look at Tesla trading range, like the full trading range, it's going to be from here to here. Everything in here is just like uncertainty. So if you were going to short Tesla, ideally it would be from this supply zone up here. Like you would want it to be from somewhere in there. Ideally you could get it like right here at the top, maybe where the CMA is. But ideally while it's just doing this, you don't want to do anything. It's like if I were trying to short Tesla, I wouldn't get in any earlier than this point right here, 253. But if you're trying to go for like a quick scalp, that's a different story. All right, so market is open. Let's see kind of how things go. Got a quick little pullback on QBTS to start today. Apple, we got a little pullback on. Really just interested to see kind of how things move today. Are you still in the Google? Yeah, I might need to. Oh, yeah. I said I was going to hold that till the end of the month. Let's see. Yeah, I said I would hold Google till the end of March, unless it like goes up. I feel like this week will be a good week for that call, or a better week for that call. But yeah, I'm in it. It's currently showing like $44. Let's see. You say Tesla's hitting support right now, but that's on your whatever chart you're looking at. For me, like on my time frame, I wouldn't really have support till 240, then like 234. Aaron, top of the morning. Josh, good morning. Shanik, Shanicola, or Shaniloka. I would say, hey, the energy. It seems like a little bit too much for me right now. Not trying to offend, but I'm like I wouldn't call this tanking on Tesla. This is a regular move. Support is at 240. If it breaks that, that's when one might be, or me. Okay, so it's broken that, and now it's like, okay, maybe you get a nice little, either you get a little bounce here, maybe you come back, fill this gap up to 249, or maybe it's something a little more serious. But nah, it's all good. It's like this is so typically the first 15 minutes or whatever, markets are all over the place. So they'll drop, they'll pop, but it's just like whenever you like say like, oh yo, it's like tanking and stuff, that kind of incites fear, that kind of spreads, and it like gets everyone out of their cool for like the way, we got to be calm, collected. That way we can like analyze and actually see what's going on with like a level head, because it's like a lot going on, a lot flashing between us, and whenever you get down into like the nervous system, the way it works, really kind of sets some things off, like that what's it the sympathetic nervous system. We don't want to do that. We want to stay nice and relaxed, stay cool, take it easy. All right, so looking at the SPY is testing resistance. It might be moving up. I might decide to, here, let's go to like a 5 minute. This might be what I play. It's like if we oh, actually I don't love that. Oh wait, we're on a 5 minute though. Yeah, it's like if we can confirm up here, yeah, I might be down to grab a little call to try to ride for today on the SPY. Oh, Josh, you asked how was my weekend? My weekend was cool. It was busy, but it was cool. It was a good weekend. How about you? Did I say good morning, Rodney? If I didn't, good morning. Let's see. All right, so SPY has closed up here. Okay. See how this one goes. Think we're okay. I want to tell y'all, like, we're getting all this push and pull in all these different directions, and it's really like throwing me off. Normally, you have everything moving in a similar direction, but I'm like really thrown off. You got the SPY going up. You got like Apple kind of pinned. You got Tesla chilling, or Tesla like kind of selling off a little bit. Ultimately, I think we're gonna like rise up, but I don't know. All right, I'm gonna feel like I might be a little early, but I might go for a little SPY call. Let's see. Let's see how much they're going. If they're not too expensive yet, I'll take a little chance. Let's see. Where are we at? Yo, why am I not seeing these options? Oh, are they new? Hold up. Where's... Yo, Moomoo is tripping. Why do I not see the price of these options? Hold up. Where's the... Dang, the SPY is running. This is messing me up. Hold up. Bro. I'm annoyed right now. Well, it's at 565 if I'm looking at a call. See how much that one is. Oh no, yeah, that's more than I want to. Let's see if we get a pullback. All right, let's see. All right, hit that thumbs up or a leprechaun. Oh dang. Oh, is this St. Patrick's Day? All right, I'm so upset. I had a long call in D wave at 4, sold it at 7, took profit. Hey, yeah, some profit is definitely better than none. Yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day, y'all. Hakeem, top of the morning. Oh, is Intel doing well? Here, let's see. Oh yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, we got the market doing well. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to them at Moomoo. My options chain was looking all sorts of messed up. Hey, Sky the film guy, top of the morning. All right, went well, played. Hey, nice. Hope the tournament went well. I'm gonna watch for like 30 minutes. I mean, that's not a bad idea, Mike. Not a bad idea. Alice, top of the morning. Black and Wild, good morning. Yeah, Intel is kind of doing its thing. Hold up, where's my... Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's up here oversold, but... Here, let's see. Here, let's throw this... Or let's slide this over here. What is it? It's over here? Yeah, let's leave that there. Let's see how that holds up. Leave Intel for now. All right, so QBTS has had a... It's pretty much back to where it closed out last week. We'll see if it holds up. It'd be cool if I could get out of that today. Dang, man. I'm very annoyed at this at the SPY. It's like I don't want to chase it now, but it's going. Let me look at my portfolio. UPST, Apple, QBTS. All right, I'm not really benefiting from anything yet, but that SPY put would have definitely. Here, let me go back to a 15 on the SPY. Okay. Yeah, I was feeling a little left behind on that. Let's see if we can get a pullback to the 15-minute demand. That might be a little wild. Let's see, what's the 5? Yeah, that's still a 5-minute demand as well. Let's see. We're due for a rise up. Yeah, we are. That's why. That's like I'm thinking like, yo, we're probably coming up this week. It's just let's see. I really just want, honestly, I want the SPY, like let the SPY run to like 570. Yeah, I'm cool. Or let it come up to what's it, 575. This is where, yeah, I could see us getting there this week. If we keep this up, we should be able to get at least here. If things go crazy, maybe we come up here to like the 590s or whatever. But yeah, I could see it happening. SPY might get a pullback. Yeah, I would be here for that too. But just if we kind of look at things, like if we look at here, I don't know what this is. Just like looking on the weekly, yeah, the SPY has kind of had it. And if you kind of think about it, this was a pullback on the SPY. Oh, hold up, what's going on there? I'm all over the place with these charts. Yeah, because if you look at this whole area right here, this was a demand zone. So we pulled back. Say it was, we might have a bounce back up here. We'll see. Time will tell. Hey, we're still pretty strong on this first candle though. Intel looks like it was here, let's look at the market structure on that. I like Intel upside if it wants to pull back to like 2350 or so. I like a bounce at that level. You said Moomoo's messing up for you too? Dang, bro. Honestly, I might have to I'm gonna have to talk to them first. Like ask them what's going up. Like, cause this isn't cool. Let me look at the SPY option chain real quick again, cause that was all kinds of yeah. Let me compare this to what it looks like on Moomoo, not Moomoo, on Robinhood. All right, let's see what it looks like on Robinhood. Yo, I got something going up. I don't know what's going up, but something in my portfolio is like, it's like popping. Okay, so SPY. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to them later. Uber is trying to run too. Let's take a look at Uber. Yeah, the SPY is going for it. Today could be one of those violent days. It's like I'm gonna try to wait for a pullback, but yeah, if they want to do this whole violent run thing, hey. You said so. You think call on SPY? So I tried to get a call on SPY whenever we like confirmed at about like 564, like 30 or so. But yeah, they've moved a lot since, so it's like I'm not sure. I mean, like when you look at the SPY, this could be a reversal point because there's this liquidity right here. Oh wait, hold up. This is a 15-minute. Let's go to a 4-hour. Yeah, this still could be a reversal point because there's liquidity here. So I'm not sure I would take a call from here. It's like I was liking it more like right in here. Now it's like this could be a point where it ends up like it could chill here for a bit and sell off. Because on the 5-minute, overbought, 10-minute, I don't know, yeah, 10 minutes overbought, 15 minutes overbought, 30 minutes, it's like just getting up there. But on it, also, it can keep running, but it's just like I don't like the odds here. as much, or like I don't like the entry as much right here. Like button needs some love. That it does. That it does. Everybody needs a little love, including the like button. All right. SOI is doing good today. Are you talking about SoFi? Or is that like a... KULR? I saw that one was doing all right too. Yeah, KULR is up. It's up 12%. From lows, it's up like probably like 50. What is it? From lows, or from recent lows. Yeah, it's up like 60%. 62. That's solid money right there. Am I still? Yeah, I'm still in the QBTS put. I do need to check the expiration though. Just to let's see. Okay, so QBTS expires the 20th. Oh yeah, I'm chilling on the QBTS for now. But yeah, I'm in a QBTS put. Same breakdown for QQQ. Yeah, let's take a look at the Qs real quick. I would imagine it's similar. Actually, they look a little different right now. Like the SPY is kind of above. The Qs is a little different. I mean, they both have, like, if you look at the liquidity, like we could be sweeping liquidity right now, but just where I have resistance at and everything, they're a little different. So yeah, looking at it, it's like the SPY could get pushed back down, or SPY could get pushed back down, but the Qs is clearly at resistance. Resistance was this 481 about 50 kind of level. And it's just being rejected, whereas I didn't have resistance being up here, but maybe instead of resistance being 564, maybe I should have had it at 566 on the SPY. But also, no, I think my resistance was a good spot because it like caught, like it really caught a strong like push from that. So think maybe there might just be more levels for the SPY. Do you think Tesla will go up this week? Oh, honestly, I can't say for Tesla. Tesla, like, I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla just kind of consolidated, just kind of like traded sideways. Once again, it's like I'm not really enticed to do anything on Tesla until it's outside of this range. So, but while Tesla is trading in here, Tesla is range bound. Tesla's in a downtrend, so ideally you would want to trade it down unless you're trading on a lower time frame. But it's like your ideal short would be here. Let me like make it from where this first blue line is to like up here. So anywhere in this zone right here, let's anywhere in this zone, anywhere in this like red box, this would be the range that you would ideally take a short on Tesla from. I'm gonna make that gray again. But that's for like a longer move. If you're doing like super short term, like scalping and stuff like that, that's a different story. But that's not what I do. So, or at least not with Tesla. That's not anything I would do with Tesla because Tesla can be violent. You please check Costco. We can check. So Costco is still in the downtrend. Um, yeah, they're in a downtrend. They are oversold. I mean, they've kind of been riding this 13 EMA. The next area, or I don't know, the last supply zone is going to be. Oh, hold up. About right here. It's like 925 to like 930 level. It's in a downtrend, so ideally you would trade it down. If you were to jump up to a higher time frame, like a weekly, I mean, it's still technically in a higher, or still in a downtrend. But also, it's also met kind of its 48 EMA here. So, you could say you get a bounce maybe up to like 965 or so, or 950 from here. It's like but yeah, you can still have this stuff happen on a lower time and have this stuff happen on a higher time frame as well. I have a call on Coke. It's trying to run. Is it? Let's see. No M census talk. Okay, Coke is above that little resistance area. I will say, just beware that this. I guess there's the 48 EMA is over here at about 69.70, and also just you got this EMA cross to the downside on the 4 hour. So ideally, like after you get that cross, this might actually be a good area for a potential short on this. Just kind of looking at that cross and everything. I might try to go light on the short. No, I'm not. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. But this would be like looking at this 48 or this 1348 strategy. This would be a good place to short from. Good morning. What do you this P? What is this P? Moo? Yeah, I might need some clarification. I'm not familiar with this P. All right, SPY's back up at 566. Let's check back in on the Qs. All right, so yeah, it might move up. I might if the SPY's doing this, let me check in on the Qs. Let me see what the options are looking like. Let's see. Let's see how these options moving. See how this one's moving. There's like no here. Let's look at the what is it? TQQQ. It's kind of pricey too. So hard to trade the indexes. Let's see. It's strange because SPY is going up, but the stocks in the portfolio are, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, you got all this divergence. I don't even know like what is bringing the SPY up. Yeah, the SPY's up 0.5%. I'm going through looking on the side right now. Nike has earnings on it might be Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday, y'all. Just a heads up. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there's anything on here that would be bringing the SPY up. Palantir is having All right, day. Yeah, let's look at Palantir real quick. Yeah. Oh no. All right, so looking at Palantir, they actually have a. Do they? No. Never mind. Yeah, I'm gonna forget what I was saying. Let's look at them on the weekly real quick. See how they're looking. See how that's look. Oh wait, that's actually, hold up. Yeah, we'll kind of see. Yeah, we'll have to see how that ends up playing out. Okay, let's see. Monday fun day. Good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Doctor Modified. Took a put and then a call on SPY. Nice. Hey, good stuff. Oh, you took a put on the SPY? But hey, glad to hear you got the gains here. Let's see. Yeah, SPY is playing the games, but honestly, if I don't think I would have. I don't think I'd be like I would if I'm doing any kind of day trading or anything. I'm probably not taking any kind of puts or anything on the SPY right now. Anything that I intend on getting out of today, I'm not. Yeah, just kind of how everything's looking for now. I wouldn't necessarily be taking puts on the SPY. Okay, no clear trend line. Or actually, maybe I would after drawing this trend line. Cause here, let's look at it on a 4 hour. Let's go to a 1 hour. Yeah, so if I were trading on a 1 hour, found this trend line, drew it, we kind of broke. This is a potential retest. Yeah, we'll have to see. I still don't see anything that's just clearly moving the market or moving the S&P. Oh yeah, I do see what you were talking about when you said Uber was having a good day though. Yeah, Uber having a good day. This is at a level of resistance. And let me take off that 448 EMA. It's still at a level of resistance though. This kind of like 73.20 area. It's a little, yeah, there's some resistance there. Let's see what else. Oh, AMD. AMD's having a good day. Oh, but AMD is close to the trend line. Hey, we might have a short coming up on AMD. Let's do we have an alert? Yeah, last time, honestly, the last 2 times I was like, oh yeah, this is probably money, and then I didn't take it. So yeah, this time if AMD comes here, yeah, I'm gonna take it. Here, let's see. Hey, Lucky J, top of the morning. Happy to have you. Moomoo just sent me a user experience invite or something. Anyone else receive it? Where user experience? Where would you get that? Is that like in the app? Or I didn't get anything about a user experience invite that I can see. QQ key broke previous day high and then went down and bounced back off. So maybe upward. Yeah, I can see I can see the cues here. Let me. Oh, it's like I want to think we're coming up this week, but I feel like we might get slapped back down today, because everything's looking like it's at like a level of resistance and that like it's gonna have trouble. Unless we just kind of chill here, maybe, or maybe we get some good news. Online group interview, interesting. And since I would do it if they wanted to send me something like that, I would do it. I'd be like, yo, what's up with your option chain? Cause y'all. It's like I was looking at the option chain and I did not it's not updating. Yeah, it's like I'm gonna try to talk to him, and if not, I might have to do what I did with Moomoo, or not Moomoo, Weeble, or maybe give Weeble another try, or find something else. See if there's something else out there. QQQ broke previous day high and then went down. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, audio. Is there something wrong with my audio? So if there is something wrong with my audio, refresh the page. It's not my audio. 9 times out of 10 is YouTube. Refresh the stream, and the audio is probably fine. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. All right. Cool. Blausen said it. Okay. 80 top of the morning. Do you have a different account? Haven't been on stream for. Hey, started clinicals. I hope you like that. Hope you like that. Hey, I've been all right. Are you the same 80? 80? Cause your account looks different now. Thoughts on alpha? What is alpha? Pie card at top of the morning. Charles, good morning. Any, Hey, Darren, I was not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot a message after this stream, cause yeah, that's an issue for me. I probably could have made money off this. Oh, Spy's down now. All right. All right. Yeah, this is a oh, interesting price action we're having. Let's see. CTM. This isn't anything that I would consider myself to be too knowledgeable about. Yeah, this doesn't. It looks like a no trade for me, really. It's like maybe if we were getting increasing volume in it, but nah, to me it looks like the volume's like pretty inconsistent, so I don't like it. All right, let's see. Microsoft is keeping spy. Oh, where's Microsoft? You said the Microsoft is keeping the spy up, but Microsoft is oh, the spy is up like 2, but Microsoft is like down on the day. Interesting. Where is the option for multiple charts on TradingView? So I got like a video on it. Like it's a real like quick 1 minute video, but here, let me make sure you can actually see it real quick. But like actually looking at TradingView, it's like right here, it probably looks like this for you. If you would pretty much just need to click on this little square thing and then click your layout, but you also have to have the subscription where you can use more than one screen. Okay, hold up. Wait, hold up. Please, Lockheed. So Lockheed Martin doesn't really move in the way that I normally chart, but right now they retested this trend line. So it's looking like ideally with that retest, that's a good short right there. Or actually you got a break, you got a retest, we got another retest. It's like I would want to see what happens with this. It's like if this candle ends up like breaking through, then it's like, oh, maybe it'll continue up. But from here, it's like you would expect kind of more downside. Let's see. Seen it before. Now I can't see it. When I told you Coke was doing a sit, I meant Coke, not KO. Coke? What is... I don't even know what Coke is. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, I definitely thought you meant KO. Okay, this definitely makes a lot more sense. Definitely makes a lot more sense. Okay. All right. Okay. Hold up. I want to see where this was in like 2010 or whatever. I remember once my teacher, when I was in like, wait, okay, so I think it was like over here. Like that's 05. So it's probably like 08. Yeah, over in here, I remember my teacher said she got like her kids like 5 shares for their birthdays. If they held on to those, my goodness. And then the dividends is probably paid too. Let's see. Yeah, that's solid. Okay. All right, let's get back to it. So right now we really don't have much going on. We're still just very range bound. Let's look at Nvidia. So Nvidia appears to be breaking the trend line. They had a pretty nice run up. They got rejected at about 124. What I call support like 122, right? They broke support. Or maybe it was 120. Do you see Tesla free falling today? No, not necessarily. So unless Tesla comes back, like once again, we already like kind of talked about this a little bit, but I wouldn't short Tesla until it at least comes up and takes out this high over here. Like it either needs to come just as high or come a little higher. That's when I would like consider maybe a free fall for Tesla. I mean, it could happen, but I would, like, just being up here, I would expect that to happen first. Here, let's see. Any Apple calls? I'm holding calls on Apple, but there's no reason to take calls unless if it's not going to move up. All right, looks like Hood has potential to run today. All right, let's take a look at Hood. Let's see. It's kind of chilling. Here, let's. So yeah, it definitely does have potential. Here, let me. Okay, so this is the range. I mean, I would say anywhere from like I would say up to 445 down to like 441. That's kind of the trouble zone. But it's like they could keep melting up into that. All right, the SPY is kind of like I drew this trend line. The SPY is holding up. Yeah, the SPY looks like they're gonna go for it. Yeah, the SPY looks. Well, is this a no? This is 30 minute. Hold up. Here, yeah. Let's watch on the 30 minute. I mean, it's looking bullish. It's looking pretty bullish. It's like honestly, I don't love the price. Here, let's see how much they're going for. Uh, what's the delta? Yeah, I don't even like the. Yeah, those options are nasty. I want to see if food. Here, let's look and see if there's like anything. Like I want to see the chart, whatever chart is like. I want to find the slept on chart. Meta Meta looks like they're asleep and they're ready to like they need to do something to an extent. Like they here, let's look through some different time frames. I'm gonna slide Meta up a little higher. I think Meta has some potential to an extent, but they can also just sit here and do nothing for a while. Here, let me actually come in. Let me draw like a. I don't know if Meta. What's this? This 615. I would say above 1615, Meta might be able to. Oh no, they kind of look like Tesla does. Their chart a little bit, not like I would say the opposite direction. They look like Tesla does, but the opposite direction a little bit. So right now, last range. They're technically bullish. So actually, I would want to see them come down first. Okay, I'll leave them alone for now. Let's see what else. Apple. Never mind that Apple prediction I made. I was stuck at. Okay, I see you. Okay, we looked at the CTM. What is QBTS? Right now, got to zoom out on QB. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. Zoom out on QBTS. Right now it's pretty much chilling at highs. This may not necessarily just take a day. Probably have to give it a little bit of time. But yeah, but it would be nice to see it come fill in this gap, but we'll have to see. But yeah, QBTS it kind of ran up, and as of right now, it's not doing like too much. We just got this like big gap up, and then it's kind of like pulling back. See Ion Q. Oh, Ion Q's pulled back too. QUBT still doing all right. Let's see. Is Intel still running? Yeah, Intel is. Okay, so that was not fake. Okay, so Intel. It's like I can't. I'm not gonna chase that, especially not up here while it's oversold like this. But yeah, Intel, that's a respectable move. I'm trying to find like really good deals. No, these charts are not making sense. Like all the things that would normally run together are not running together. The things I don't. It's crazy. KULR is going crazy. Coke's still going. TTD, oh my goodness. So they haven't, other than this point over here, they have not been above this 4 hour 13 EMA. Let's see. Moomoo is broke. There's an update on the here. Let me check. Update. Here, I just set to do the update. We'll see if that fixes anything for me. Okay. Chidi, good morning. How do you change your EMA to 0 through 100 instead of price? What do you mean by 0 to 100 instead of price? Are you talking about like this little thing in the corner? It's like I think that you would need to actually just add the names. Like if you're trying to see what the indicator name is. Like I don't even remember what it is. Where would I do that? Yeah, so if I wanted to see what it was, like I'd go into the settings and go under status line, and under indicators I would do arguments. So you can see as I toggle that on and off, I can see which EMA it is and like what it is. Maybe I'll leave that on for now. Let's see. Amazon. Yeah, we can look at Amazon. I mean, we were getting to it anyway. But let's see. So Amazon is still very much kind of chilling in a range as well. And yeah, I would say, like me personally, until something happens at this trend line, there's not really anything for me to do with Amazon. But yeah, today, honestly, it seems like a no trade day. Like there are no obvious moves. Other than potentially like maybe taking a short on Nvidia, potentially a good move, but this also might be a fake out, so no obvious moves. DWTX. Yeah, I don't see anything other than the fact that this is in a downtrend and there's not enough time or data to really give me anything else on this. But yeah, it's in a downtrend. If you want to turn on the volume's decreasing, or at least on the 4 hour. On the week, yeah. So I don't really have anything. It's like also if you look on the weekly, if you really want to go out and like hold it over time, there's like some slight uptrend there, but not really. There's not this like lack of information. Not enough information to really or data to really conclude anything. KT, you said just gonna get some VTI and go to breakfast. Hey, that's not a bad idea, honestly. There's nothing that's supposed to happen today. That doesn't mean things won't, but nothing that's supposed to. Here, let's see. What was the other one? KTOS. Oh, this is defense company, so that has that going for it. Oh, hold up. Looking amazing on the weekly. Notice you have that increased volume too. I can definitely say bullish for this one. Could get a little pullback here, but beyond that, I would say it's bullish. You got a positive trend. If you look at the 13 EMA, we're riding that. Looks like the next kind of area of demand is going to be right here at about $30.43. And then if you look at the EMA, it's about the support's about $30.20. But it looks bullish overall. Bring back the days of affordable. Yeah, so unfortunately, in order to get those days of affordable contracts, we need like a lot of days like how the market is right now when the market's not really moving, so we can get those affordable contracts. Because whenever the market's moving a lot and it's exciting, yeah, they're going to be expensive. My updates on Moomoo didn't fix it on. Let me look. Yeah, might be done with the Moomoo. I'll have to talk to my point of contact, but this is definitely not a good look. Or let me look and see if it's any better. I mean, yeah, it looks better. Well, actually, I was looking at tomorrow. Everything looks fixed for me. Let's see. Yeah, everything looks fixed to me. Let's see. Yeah, we're doing all right. Oh, how have those apples come down so much from when we got them on Friday? They kind of fell a good amount. I'm watching Amazon as well. If it hits 190, I'm going to buy a call. It's working now after the. Okay, I was about to say, yeah. I'm like, it looks like it's working for me. Okay, well, Yeah, that's better. I was about to say that's not a good look. That yeah, I was not liking that. I guess I won't have to shoot them a message now. Could be a I don't know. On Baba, this could be a potential like level to short potentially. Either a good level to short or they could go crazy. But once again, time will tell. Aaron said QBTS hit all time highs this morning. When do you think would be a good entry point? So the way I trade, supply and demand. So if we look at it, this is an old supply zone over here, meaning there are a lot of sellers. You also have this liquidity up here to sweep as well. So if we take this and drag this over, since this liquidity has not been swept up here, it's possible that, it can get bought and pushed up to there, but you will not see me taking calls in this area if there is no catalyst. So right here, if you look at all the news and everything, there is no news, there are no headlines, there is no reason specifically for these stocks to be running up this much. This is all it's just buying and it's random buying. So because of that, because there is nothing going on, no reason that I see for this to happen, I won't be buying calls here. It's like if we come here, I'll buy a short, and it's like I would be cool with buying shorts or like potentially riding them as far as like the $6 area. But like looking at it, I wouldn't buy anything until we like pull down to $6. Cause it's like I still see this coming down to at least $2 at some point, likely before the end of the year. All right, we got the SPY coming down. Nvidia is still continuing its trend down as well. So those are going on. You know what? Let me look at Nvidia. See what the options are looking like on that. Honestly, it's not too bad. Let's see. I have a 117 strike. Oh, they got an event coming up? I'm not sure I want to be holding any puts if Nvidia has an event coming up. You said Amazon calls? Nah, I wouldn't do anything here at this level on Amazon. It's like if you get some time, you could have calls on Amazon. Like it could potentially be a good level for calls on Amazon. Like honestly, it could pay, but it's like I don't see anything that's just obvious. Like nothing on the 4 hour, nothing on the 1 hour. I mean, maybe if you come down to like yeah, on the day, like if you're day trading, I don't know. Yeah, if you're day trading and say you came and like dipped down to 195, you might have a little something right there. But I personally am not grabbing calls here. Tesla is at here. Let's okay. I would say that's a better way to say that. Okay, Tesla is okay below that 240. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Flat with rotation today. Very that's a great way to describe today. Yeah, it looks like we might just be getting some rotation and there is not much going on. To those of you, I think MSense and it was someone else talking about Coke. Coke is at $70 or KO is at $70. I'm not getting a short on Tesla. It's like Tesla can come down, but I'm not like I don't have the confidence to hop in on anything. I don't have like day trades, so I'm not day trading. Probably not doing any like planned trades till Friday. Like it's like I might be down Friday, but yeah, not today. He said, "Yep, it starts tomorrow." If Amazon, oh, you're talking about the Nvidia thing? Yeah, I'm not. I'm not trading against any. I'm not trading against Nvidia if it has an event for sure. Can't have that. Oh, it's on Wednesday. Okay. With Palantir, ACR, HR. Oh, they're in too. Okay. So maybe that could be why they're running up. We'll have to see. Yes, on Coke. I'm trying to ride it. Okay. Janae, top of the morning. It's kind of wild. I hear you. I'm driving things, but it's not moving in. MSense. So I'm not sure if you heard all the conversation, but apparently there is a app update, and it's like after you update the app, everything is fine in Moomoo. Oh, I updated it. It's all good. So here, let me collapse the screen a little bit so y'all can see what I see on the side over here. Let's see. All right, so like not everything is red. Like if we look over here, we got eBay green. Here, let's I don't know, Apple's not moving, so you got eBay in the green. I mean, we got Honest, we got the Yen, Celsius, Lunar, GameStop, Hims, BBAI is a little in the red. Rich Tech Robotics, that's up 13% today. XRP, Tim. Where's Tim? How far does that pull back? Still got a little bit to go. Okay. Yeah, what's in the green? Netflix. Yeah, Netflix is pretty green today. Netflix is up 32%. Let's see what else. Yeah, Netflix. Yeah, Netflix is up a whole like 3.5%. That's like one of the highest movers I see today. That's like an S&P stock. You got AMD up like 3 point almost 3.7. Wait, what's this? Oh, Intel up almost 7. But yeah, that's it. Netflix is there news on that? That's kind of like a random like just yeah, what's up with Netflix? Okay, so they got an upgrade. Here, let's wind this back out. Netflix upgraded Netflix to a buy, raising its price target from $850 to $1,100, indicating a potential 20% gain. So they got an analyst upgrade. Okay, they got multiple analyst upgrades. It's wild how they just decide to all upgrade these companies at the same time. T-Bird, top of the morning. Hello. Just so you know, you haven't missed anything. I do not think you're going to miss anything. The market had made it seem like it was going to do something this morning, but that was it. That was a good little pullback up to way it like pulled up to like 566. But also, if we look at this, if this ends up being liquidity, and let me remove that trend line. If this ends up being liquidity for this right here, we can move down more, like on this trend. Like this trend can continue down more. That was a good move from like 550 up to 566, though. That's a valid enough move. All right, I saw the contract price for Netflix calls and spit out my. Oh yeah, I'm not. Yeah, definitely not. I always look at Netflix, but I don't know. Honestly, it's been years since I've traded Netflix contracts. There was one time I had like a pretty good zero DTE though. Actually, compared to what actually happened with it, I missed out a lot. I think I had like a zero DTE on a Friday. It was a couple years ago on Netflix. I think I got it in for like $50, right? I took it to like $400, something like that. But the contract at the end of the day, it was like over $2,000. I was just like, man. On an uptrend since March 10th. Are we still talking about NVIDIA? Yeah. Yeah. NVIDIA's been on an uptrend since March 10th. The market's been on one since the 13th. I feel like I need sleep. Our guest went home last night. We had to take him to the airport late last night, so did not oh, you said X. Isn't that like steel? Let's see. Yeah, United States Steel. Oh, is this what you were talking about being in an uptrend since the 10th? I thought you were talking about it. Netflix, because Netflix has also been in an uptrend since the 10th. Department of Justice seeks a 21-day extension in the United States Steel Corporation. So yeah, it's currently oversold, but if we are looking at supply and demand, next demand zone is going to be about right here at $38. And next supply, I mean, it's actually, I'm not even sure. Let's see. What's going on here? Okay, so down to here. Price action gets a little choppy on this. Yeah, it's like we can call this supply over here. So you can kind of say it's in there right now. So yeah, ideally for me, a pickup would be around $38. I think Netflix is going to be a long-term account change, and they're a clear leader. And cable is done. If you have a few shares now, and they, yeah, it's a little hard for me because I think I want to say, I mean, I wasn't like trading, but I think I had started watching. Let me see. I think I had started watching the market whenever it was around like $200 or something. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go to like a monthly. Would have been right in. So they did come down to this point. So there was an opportunity for that. I think I started. Okay, yeah. So they were around the 200s when I got in there. So it's kind of hard to see some things like that. Like honestly, it was a little hard for me to believe. Like it's like if I knew then what I knew now, wow. But it's like I completely saw this dip down here, and I remember people saying like it was a good deal, and I was like, Netflix. But it's crazy how much you can learn, and like it's crazy how much like actual valuations come into play. It's like some things I could see value on, and then others it's like it's like sometimes you gotta actually get in and like look at the fundamentals and not just go off what you think is good. But yeah, definitely missed the boat on that one. But another one, like if you look at this kind of at this point, like what's this, May 2022? If we go look at Meta at the same time, or I guess this is November 2022, but definitely, I mean, don't have like a crazy amount, but definitely have some Meta down here in this range. But I still think the Netflix return is actually greater. But that's wild. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, sorry, good morning. Further explain that 50 hold contract 2000. What do you mean 50 hold contract 2000? I'm not I don't completely understand what you're referring to. It's like I might be able to explain if I understood what you're asking, but I don't understand what you're asking. You said no Derive AI. I mean, we can look at Derive AI. So I was looking at Derive AI on Friday because I had day trades. I don't necessarily have day trades today. Let me. I can pull up Derive AI. Honestly, we don't really have anything going on, so yeah, we can do some watch list ones. Honestly, that'd probably make today a lot more fun. So I actually appreciate that suggestion. Here, let's real quick. Let me get that going. I still need to make that Derive AI video public. I only have it for like the channel members real quick. Let me let's see. Derive AI. Oh, hold up. Wrong. Derive AI. Let's see if it's even put anything out today. So let's see. All right, so what time is it? So an hour ago, it did something with, it wasn't even the highest probability. So it's only put out one trade today, and it's a swing. So there haven't really been any trades like that. Just to show y'all. So yeah, it put out a swing and the probability is low. Like we did have this one, but the market was closed, so that data is like no good. But yeah, there is a swing, but there's a 69% probability. And dang, look at it's a little pricey. It's a 3. I mean, it's not crazy on the price if it's whatever, but that's more than I would want to trade for something that, it's like they're they're 93%, or at least on the day trades we're hitting. But I would say wait, is it bullish or oh, it's a bearish put. But here, yeah, we'll add that to the watch list just to see how it goes. Let's see. So it is a QQQ put. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just type in QQQ. QQQ options. It expires the 21st. It is a 165. No, wait, hold up. Oh, hold up. Did they just add another one? No, that's okay. Hold up. Oh, hold on. I'm looking at hold on. Wrong date. The 24th. It is a 470 put. And it's gotten cheaper since it was they suggested it or recommended it, but yeah, now it's now it's about the same price. But yeah, we added it to the watch list. The take profit would be 516. Stop loss is 258. So let's go look at the watch list to see how it's doing. So looking at QQQ. So we added it for 337 on the day. Okay, it hasn't hit the stop loss yet, just so we know. And it's gone as high as 363. Actually, let me look at that. I might actually take that. Let's see. Let me look at the Qs. The Qs. Let's go to the 4 hour. Honestly, I like it. Yeah, honestly, it could go higher. I might take that. I'm down with that swing. I like that trade. Let's see, QQQ options. Let's go. March 24th, 470. Oh, the price is higher now. Let's see if I'll put in, I'll let y'all know if I get filled. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get in on this. But yeah, I'll let y'all know if I get filled once I get filled. Let me see how much we got filled on this one for at like 337. Okay. And then the stop loss. Here, let me write this down. So yeah, we'll see if I get filled. If I get filled, I'll let y'all know. But it was the one that was on screen. So it is a Q put. What was it? 470 for a 470 strike. Stop loss 258. Take profit at 516. So it's a 25% stop loss or a 50% profit. All right, let's see. You said bet, no problem. Just enjoying myself listening. Okay, you said you had $50 in Amazon and missed out and pulled out. Oh no, that was first off, that was 2 years ago. I was talking about Netflix. So hold on, I got filled real quick. Let me alert everyone. Let me alert the family real quick. Let me alert the family to that. To the trades. So here, let's go. Okay. Everyone just grabbed a Q, what was it, 470 put? Expiring March 24th. Paid $337 per share. Yeah. Stop. Loss. Your stop loss is 258. Take profit. Honestly, I like this. Having the stop loss and the take profit. A lot of people are always asking me where to do that. And it's like, yo, I don't have like an exact option pricing, but it's nice that Moomoo can kind of do it. Not Moomoo, Derive can kind of do it. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. All right, so yeah, I got in on a call. TQQQ is, it's identical. Yes, it is identical. Just be careful if you're trying to get strikes that are out of the money. I usually grab like at the money if I'm trying to do it. If I'm trying to capture the move, just because sometimes the way it moves is a little weird. So yeah, when it comes to the contract I just got in on, everyone. Wait, how's that even? Did it just dip and then go back up? Am I already up like that? Hold up. Like I just got in this. I just got filled. Yeah, like I'm immediately like up like 11% on that contract. Okay. So here, let me put my stop. And so the stop is going to be actually, yeah, let me put my stop in. Was it 258? Okay. And then let me put my take profit into. Yeah, let's hold on. Yeah, let's go stop limit. Oh, we'll just watch it. All right, let's see. All right. You said that was a put. Yeah, that was a put. All right, so phase by fame, just to kind of explain what was going on or what happened. So essentially, it was a Friday. It was on Netflix, and like Netflix had, I don't know, it's like Netflix was kind of chilling. The options were cheap. You know, usually when options expire the same day, they can be pretty cheap. And it was a Friday where Netflix moved like $20 or over $20. So I paid $50 for a contract. And then, like Netflix, the stock was moving a lot. So the options were kind of going wild. And yeah, I sold out, like thinking, like, yo, I've already made a lot of money. And it's probably not going to go too much further, but that $50 contract ended up being over 2,000 by the end of the day. Or maybe it may not have ended there. It's possible it did. I don't remember exactly, but I know it ran to over 2,000 at some point, like closer to the end of the day. I don't know exactly where it ended though. All right, so it's looking like we're doing some selling off now. Like I can even see it on Apple. So Apple kind of hit the 13 EMA, got slapped down. Um, Good thing is if Apple comes and makes a new low, or either Apple comes and makes a new low or makes the same low but comes lower on this RSI, then that might be a clear time for a call. It's like I'll like that, but we'll see. Let me refresh, see if there's anything new on Derive. Nope. But yeah, I like that short. I like the short. Yeah, I would love to see the Qs at about 471. Come fill in this gap. Oh. Oh dang, Tesla's still moving. Tesla is down at, let's see if Tesla can get to 234 or maybe retest this trend line. Tesla could end up coming for it. Hood's looking even better now. Let's see. So I said 41 to 45 or about 45. I'm like watching out for on Hood. I still don't like the spreads on their contracts. Currently in a Hood call. All right, which one you in? Oh, that QQQ put is up. It's up about 15% now. It's a good return. Tesla is bound to take a hit at some point because Trump just put a stop to the EV mandate, is ordering decommission on. Where can I here? Let me actually look at that. Let me look at that. When did this happen? When did this news come out? Here, I'll look it up. But let's see. Ordering decommission on. I mean, if hold on, Trump pauses. Okay, Trump pauses many government orders for. Okay, Trump slams at brakes on government's adoption of electric vehicles. Okay, hold up. Hood call was a 39 strike. Okay, cool. See profit, take profit. I heard a report about it from somebody last week. Okay, I'm seeing something. Let me read it. I'm gonna slide. Yeah, Tesla is about to the 234. It's about there. Let's see. Oh yeah, the Qs are, where are we? Oh yeah, the Qs is, hey, it's looking better. We gotta pull Hood back up, but yeah, the Qs are looking better. All right, so that trade on the Qs is at 1632 now. But let's see. Okay, the Trump administration has halted much of the federal government's adoption of electric vehicles into its massive fleet in cars and trucks. U.S. General Service Administration, which orders many of the vehicles and owns EV chargers used by federal agencies to be temporarily suspended, orders of zero-emission vehicles, stopped the installation of new EV chargers, and ordered some existing stations to be shut down. Honestly, if like just going off that, if I were looking at that, I would imagine the ones being shut down are likely non-Tesla EV chargers because a lot of them are kind of whack. Second off, the majority of the government like fleet wasn't going to be Teslas anyway. And yeah, so I wouldn't really say that's hurtful to Tesla. It's like it's not helpful, but I wouldn't say it's hurtful. But it's, if anything, it's like hurtful to other companies that were actually these other companies weren't really profitable from their EVs anyway. So it's like it might be harmful to other EV charging companies, but I don't really see that to be like too harmful to Tesla. That might make Tesla or help Tesla to be even more of a kind of monopoly. from like if you kind of look at it like that, or depending on how you look at it. Swear, see profit, take profit. Yeah, yes sir, yes sir. All right, okay, it's pulled back a little bit, but hey, it's a cool like $50 from where the entry was. Yeah, it's up 54, 56. Okay. Good to have a little push and pull. How is SPY? So SPY is currently chilling. Like if we look at it right here, yeah, it had like a little, this morning it had a little fake out above resistance, but it looks like it might be sweeping this liquidity right here and could be potentially on its way to make new lows. Like if we look on a higher time frame, all right, let's what was I about to say? I was about to say something. How was SPY? Oh yeah, you just asked that. Chuhu, any trades today? So we took a short on uh on the Qs. So it was a suggestion by Derive AI, but it looks pretty good. So it was a 470 put expiring on the 24th, and I think we paid about 337 for it. And here's like kind of, wait, where is it? So recommended stop loss is about 258, and then recommended take profits about 516. And like if we just look at kind of how it's doing as of right now, that option from when we got in, it's up about $51, 14%. So it's like not doing bad. And it's like, I liked the trade because when I had looked at it, I noticed there was a sweep right here of this liquidity over here. And then also like the strike is 470. I see like a gap to be filled about like 471. So I could see us getting enough movement from that. Like if it happens fast enough, I can see it hitting that take profit. So I liked that trade. And it's supposed to be a swing trade. Can you check out KULR? So KULR has run a lot. We've looked at it multiple times today. So from here, there's not like too much for me to say. I mean, yeah, not too much for me to say. It is testing the 13 EMA on the weekly, which could end up being resistance. So I'd be a little bit wary kind of in this area. But other than that, I don't know. It's like my big buy for this is, or from KULR is like a 45. In my eyes, it's probably approaching more of actually next, where's the next area of supply? Yeah, next area of supply is probably going to be over here. Or at least if we're looking on the 4 hour. Yeah, so supply up here topped out at 210 down to 203 on KULR. Have you ever considered doing a fair value gap video? I'm pretty sure I have. I've definitely have it in videos. It's like thing is on my channel there's like so much content that it's just hard to find. But if you look around, there's stuff there. And even like if you the playlist that I like recommend all the time, it's like it's mentioned if you like really watch it. Like I talk about that. So it's like it's there. It's just it's not anything that I want to do like a direct video on, because that's not exactly what I like. I don't know. I feel like a lot of times I'll put out a new video and then people just start looking for that single thing. And it's like, I don't think fair value gaps are like that strong of something to trade to where I know if I put a video out and like there are a bunch of new people kind of watching, they just start going looking for fair value gaps and then they kind of neglect some other things. Another day where Tesla falls and Uber goes up. Oh yeah, didn't even look at that. Yeah, Tesla is down 5.3% and Uber, let's see. Uber is up 2.35. Yeah, Tesla very much so is playing the trick trap game. Let's see. Okay, so IonQ down 0.32, RGTI 1.6, QUBT is up almost 20 though. It's like all the quantum stocks aren't even moving together. Oh, you're welcome, Julie. Gonna head out. Hey, peace out, Josh. Lock in some work. See you tomorrow. Hey, yeah, have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. Let's see if there's any more. Let me ask Derive if there's like any news. Okay, hold up. All right, so they just did okay. There's another play that they have. So Derive just put out a put swing on Coke KO. So let's see. Here, let me show y'all real quick. They actually put out two. They put on a scalp on the SPY and then a swing on KO. So, did not mean to do that. Here, let's go to real quick. Let's go to KO. And I'll just tell y'all. So, it is and I'm not saying I'm getting this right now, just for the record. I'm just adding it to the watch list. So it's a put that expires April 4th. It is a $69 put. And they added it at 60. Or it was 0.6, or it was 60 cents per share. Right now it's showing on here for about 68. So the price has gone up. But I'll still just add that in right there just so we can watch it. It shows the take profit to be 90 and the stop loss to be 0.45. Here, I'm gonna write this down because I'm actually trying to get this data. So let's see. KO. It was a $69 put. No, yeah, $69 put. $69. Stop loss. Is it 45? Take profit 90. And then both of the ones today were swings. And then we got a scalp on the SPY. Let's see. Okay, so now let's go look at the SPY. Let's see what this scalp is talking about. Okay, so this one's a little more. All right, going back, looking at it. So the SPY, once again, put. Strike is 562. Let's see. Stop loss is 164. Take profit 329. It's going to be a scalp. Yeah, I'm very interested in like actually watching that and see how it does. We can watch that one today. So the expiration is the 18th. So it expires tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, this is, what is it? 362. Oh, I think the price already ran up on it. Oh no, that's a call. I was about to say. Let's see. 362. Where's that at? And the price was. Oh, it's already. Okay, so wait, hold up. Short. This is a put. Okay. All right, so it's very close to the stop loss. All right, let's watch that one. It looks like it's about to get stopped out, honestly. See if we're gonna put in an L on that one. Yeah, because stop loss is 164. All right, yeah, we'll watch that. I'm watching it up at the top. I'll say any higher is about to get stopped out. What is scalping? So think day trading, but think like it's like really, really fast day trading. So like imagine like being on a low time frame and say here, let's look. Oh, some people like a scalp. We went from $4 to like $5 real quick. I would say that could be a large scalp, but sometimes scalpers will trade from like, oh yeah, let's go from 564.03 to like 564.20. But also you could have a scalp from like 563. Like if I was just trying to ride this one candle right here, get in and get out, it's like it's really fast. Oh, don't be sorry about the questions. Sorry, that's how we all learn. But sorry to ask so many questions. But when you trade supply and demand, do you always wait for the EMA? Oh no. So I don't. I would say the EMA is not typically confirmation. Usually, so there will be like a sweep of liquidity, or I think it's legit. Hold on, let me look real quick. I want to say it's legit. Like I think that's the strategy that I use in my one video, like my video. That's my go-to strategy. I want to say, like, I know for sure there's sweeps of liquidity, but I want to say it's like involving uh, actual supply and demand as well. Let me look at this video real quick. So let's see. All right, let's see. Had I All right, so this is the video in question. First off, turn it down a little bit.
I stayed starting anything like that.
Oh yeah. So this is like a good example of what I would look for is like there is this line, there's liquidity there. This is the demand zone. So yeah, this video here, let me share that with you. Let me post that in the chat real quick. This is one of the things I'll look for. So I'll look for something similar to like what's going on in that video that I just sent in the chat. I will look for if it's in a supply zone, I'll look for it to be oversold on the RSI. If it's in the demand zone, I'll look for it to be overbought on the RSI. If it's in a supply zone, I'll look for it to be oversold. If it's in a demand zone, like little things like that, the more things indicating a reversal, the stronger. Sometimes like seeing that there is an EMA there, that just shows that, hey, this is an area of support or resistance. And that kind of just, a lot of times you'll see like a reversal at support or resistance too. That's kind of how these EMAs hold up. All right, let's see how that SPY scalp is going. All right, so right now it's up. Wait, hold up. Actually, right now it would technically be down, but right now it's not out yet. Down, but not out. All right, let's see. Personally, I don't, but I'd love to hear your opinion. Oh, I got you. Okay. They must have a quicker way to exit because Robinhood takes a minute. Oh, well. So when they put if you put the stop loss or take profit, usually actually depends on the platform's kind of like speed, but it's like oftentimes if I'm sitting there watching it, I can do it myself and it'll typically be faster than if I had them do it through their stop loss. But if you put in a limit order, it'll usually get filled like right when the price gets hit on Robinhood. It's just sometimes these stop losses that are a little weird. Higher Big Crew, what's up? No problem, Julie. Hope that helps. Switch to Robinhood Legend. Are you talking about for like trading in the charts? Are you talking to who is it? Wellington? Yeah, because charting wise, it's like I like to trade. I like TradingView, but I've definitely used and set up Robinhood Legend. Exit through the phone. Oh, I personally use my phone personally. It really just kind of comes down to your preference, but I feel like I'm a lot faster on my phone. He says switch to Robinhood Legend for trading. I can't give the recommendation myself, but it's like could be something there. Could be something there. Let's see. Hold up. Desktop. Okay. Me too. I was like, whoa. Oh, T-Bird, you might be a little bit behind. You said Tim is climbing. Yeah, let's see what's going on with Tim. Little Timmy. Oh yeah, Timmy's having a day. What time frame? This is a 4 hour. Honestly, it was about time. Once again, like similar to what's going on with the SPY and everything, we got some liquidity right here on little Timmy. Let's see. Yeah, so that could be a potential area to get like get some downside potentially. All right, let's see. Sorry, I got like a message. I don't even know what this is. Hi. Yeah, somebody sent me something like completely wrong. Okay. I feel like this SPY scalp may end up getting I would say there's a good chance it ends up getting stopped out. But it's up $10, $12 right now. 16. Oh, hold up. What's going on? It's starting to move. It's like it's been getting pretty close to getting stopped out. But it's up right now is what I was saying. Okay, they still hadn't put anything new. Let's all right, we got Euro close in a minute. Okay, we're selling off in the Euro close. All right. Okay, selling off in the Euro close. Let's see. See if we come down some more. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, that candle. Well, it's a 15-minute, but that's a bearish looking candle on the SPY on the 15 coming in the Euro close. Let's see if this the moment that's a lot of selling pressure. All right, so that SPY scalp is up like yeah, it's up like 18%. Hey, let's get it. Hey, Derive doing all right today. Let's also let me check in on that other. Just checking on the QQQ, and let me also oh, that is not what I meant to do. Also, and let me also open up that Coke. Okay. Yeah, now I got them kind of at the top where I can see. All right. What is it? Demha, good morning. I'm late. Missed anything important? Have you missed anything important? I don't think so. So I've entered some trades. Like if you just go back a little bit, but no, I don't think I wouldn't say you've missed anything important. The trades that I've entered were off of Derive AI. They are up. I wouldn't like get in them or chase them or anything, but I did enter some trades. At the moment, my Robinhood app is calculating my put like a call option. Anyone RC, I would here. Let's here. Look at the chart. I'm about to pull up a chart and let's look at this together. All right, so here, what stock are you looking at here? We'll just look at SPY. And I want to show you what I think is going on with your whatever. So if we hit trade SPY options, and you said it's calculating your put like a call. Oh yeah, y'all be sure to smash the like button. I say we have at least 35 lurker non-likers. You know, that's a crime around these parts. You know what the punishment is, right? Y'all know that prison in what is it, El Salvador? That's the punishment. Oh, okay. I see some of the likes coming in now. Okay. Yeah. Hey, I don't want to go to that prison in El Salvador. And they don't play games over there. The ones with the prison cells and like yeah, you got all the prisoners. I don't remember the exact number, but say you got like 30 prisoners in one cell and one toilet. I don't think anybody's trying to deal with that. Not around these parts. But okay, let's real quick dealing with the RC. Oh, you said trading Tesla. You know, let's look at Tesla. Let me show you what I think. Okay. All right. Hey, to all the lurkers out there, you have just been saved by all the likers, because we hit our target. So if y'all want to come and stop lurking, maybe save yourselves from the future, y'all can. But y'all have been spared because of all the likers that have come through to save y'all from having to go to El Salvador, the prison. But yeah, over 100 likes. Let's get it. Okay. But going on looking. Oh, hold up. Real quick. Hey, that SPY scalp. Hey, that thing woke up. Okay. Yeah, that scalp. What was the take profit on that? It's at 329. Hey, that thing woke up. Okay. How's that put? Oh yeah, that puts up 20% too. And the Cokes, it's doing all right. All right, but going on with that Tesla put, what I think is going on with you, what is it? Where is it? Oh, RC. What I think is going on with you. So if we click on this, notice I'm on the buy side, and whenever you click on the buy side, if I were trying to like actually, can I? Hold up. If I were actually trying to buy it, notice it says estimated cost is $8.50. But if I try to go to the sell side instead of buying it, here first, let me go over and like get rid of that. But if I go to sell instead, if I'm on sell up here, notice it's on the lower side, and it's going to say I'm going to receive a credit instead of having to pay a certain amount. So if it's going down, if my put's going down as the stock is going down in volume or value, then I'm likely on that sell side. That's what I think is probably going on for you. So I would say make sure you're on the right side. Like if you're trying to buy a put, make sure you're buying a put. If you want the value to go up as you're going down, you want to be on the buy side. So for a put. So yeah, I would just say make sure you're on the right side of things. All right, so SPY has finally pulled back to that area where, yeah, it has finally pulled back to that area where it actually, where I was looking for it to come back to in the beginning. But it could pull back even more. We'll see. All right. At what point are we going to scalp Tim? Oh, I'm not scalping Tim. I'm just I was just charting it. Somebody asked about it. But I was saying like if it came and like swept this area right here, that would be a potential good short, but I'm not doing that. It's like me, if I play Tim, it's going to be to the upside and it's going to be once it fills this gap down to 38. But yeah, I'm not doing anything on Tim today more than likely. What's the difference between buy and sell? It kind of depends, but most of the time you're going to want to buy. It requires a lot more money to sell. If you pay attention to what you're doing whenever you actually open an order, it'll kind of tell you. So if you're on the buy side and you're trying to buy a put, if you pay attention, you can see before you actually go through, take time, read what's going on. So, oh wait, hold on. Let me close this real quick. But yeah, before you like actually purchase anything, take a moment and like actually read what's going on. So right here, you can see it's going to cost. And then what it says, if you hit review order, well, first off, I don't have enough. But here, let's say, wait, do I have enough to, here, okay, let's say I wanted to, okay. So notice, it tells you what you're going to do before you buy it. So it says, you're paying $1 for the right to sell 100 shares of Tesla for $235 per share by March 21st. If Tesla shares are not $235 or lower on March 21st, this option will expire worthless. This doesn't include regulatory fees. All right, so the other end, you would be, instead of paying $1 for the right to sell 100, you would be receiving $1 to you would be receiving $1 to sell the right to 100 shares of Tesla. So typically on the other side, you need to have the money like in your account to buy 100 shares or to sell. No, you need to have the money to buy 100 shares in case there is somebody who wants to sell their 100 shares. So usually it's going to cost more money to be on the sell side. So yeah, just know that, be aware of that. It's a completely different strategy. I hit the like in the first minute. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, you know we're not trying to go. But all right, family. That's gonna do it for today. I have no idea how this SPY scalp's gonna play out. I kind of want to chill here. I got a dog to like take care of, so I might get, if this scalp doesn't play out in 20 minutes, I'm still gonna roll either way. But I kind of want to see how this SPY scalp's gonna play out. So let's see. No, actually, I'm gonna go. It's playing games right now. I'll probably have to look at the history and see what happens, but no, I'm gonna go take care of this dog. I gotta take care of the dog all week. His name's Buck. Here, let's see. Was the SPY a call or a put? The SPY was a put. So yeah, here's the SPY put. It was a 562 put that expired tomorrow. It was a scalp play by Derive. The take profit is at 329. It was supposed to be for 50% profit, but I think we got in like closer to the stop loss. So because of that, it's already almost at at 50% profit. So. And then this was the put on the Qs we got in on. I actually got in on that one. The SPY one is just the SPY is just the watch list. He said stay around for a while. We'll see. We'll see. Did I add to the? No, I didn't. I'm letting QBTS do its thing. I did not. Like if it wants to go touch that all time high, it's like I'll get like one or two more. But no, I didn't add to it. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Let's see. Let's see. Appreciate you, RC. Appreciate you. All right, the spy. Hey, the spy's trying to go for it. Let's come on. Let's do something. Come on now. Yeah, let me go back up to like a 4 hour. I'm watching this on a 15 minute. I'm getting like too excited. Yeah, it'd be nice to see us get back to like 560 on the spy. Let that put just go in and hit. Hey, peace out, Timothy. Yo, have a blessed day. Many blessings for you. Y'all might be interested in this. There is a day trade. Hey, the day trades have been hitting on Derive. Hey, Derive is 5 for 5 on day trades from like coming from Thursday. So there's an Intel day trade. Let me write it. All right, let me show y'all real quick. So it is did not mean to make it that big. But there's an Intel day trade on Derive, and it is a 24.5 put. It was $35, and let's see. Stop loss is 30. Take profit is 45. So yeah, why does it keep doing that? All right, so let me add that. I still gotta get some data, so I'm trying to like put in everything and like kind of follow and track how it does. So until what's the expiration? That's the 21st. Put it was 24.5. Add to watch list. It's even cheaper now. Okay, so the stop is I don't think I like this much. The stop loss it seems kind of close, but like I think one of the swings that it lost last week was an Intel, and it's just like weird because the stops are kind of close. But yeah, that's that. Let me write the trade down so I can like watch it. So we got an Intel put at, what is it? Oh, yeah, I'm over here zoning out. 24.50, stop loss, 0.3, take profit, 0.45. That's not even a trade I would take if I'm being real. It's like it's a little. I mean, percentage wise, it's cool, but like the actual option and stuff, I wouldn't take that trade. Let's see, what is it? It's a day trade. I hope they win because they've been fire with the day trades. It was 321. There we go. All right, we chilling. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay. Do you? Yes, we are live every day. Kind of, yeah. First like 2 hours of the day or so. What's the QQQ take profit? I want to say it was like 5. Let me see. Actually, I got it right here. It's 516 on the QQQ. Let's see. All right, happy you're enjoying it, Thizzle. Enjoying your presence. Tomorrow will probably run up before the announcement Wednesday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. Definitely want to. Yeah. That is good reason to run up. Do you actually own 100 shares of? No, no, none of these. No. So yeah, that's why I'm on the buy side. I'm not selling any of these. I think the only thing that I'm selling contracts on right now is like uh is SoFi. Like I got a put that I sold on SoFi, but other than that, there's nothing that I have. What was the reasoning for the spy put? So the spy put. So I was able to kind of explain that. I wasn't able to explain the speed of it, but like there was a sweep of liquidity right here. So Derive, like, yeah, they're not gonna be able to tell you. So Derive, like, it's kind of like an algorithm. They look at, they're able to look and see, like, how you back test a strategy, and like, it's like, see, like, oh, what is the probability? Like, how many times in the past has this worked? That's how Derive works. And yeah, it's like, oh, they've seen this before. And what I would imagine is they were looking at this sweep of liquidity right here. They're like, oh, it's going to come down. And it came down pretty quick. So that's probably what it was. Honestly, the move on the spy, I would call that probably done. Like I would say the profit probably should have been taken by there. I would say the calculation might have been thrown off. Like when it comes to, it's hard to know like the exact price that an options contract is going to come to, especially like in a day, like for the reference of a day trade. But it's like, yeah, I would say like that move was probably made. Actually, it's still like trending down. Maybe it comes lower, but I don't know. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, why does this keep? I don't know why this keeps getting bigger. Like this window just keeps jumping and getting big. Oil rises as Trump says Iran will be held responsible for any further Houthi attacks. All right, let's take a look at Oxy. Where we open? I mean, yeah, it's doing pretty good on the day. Let's that's a 15-minute. Yeah, we'll kind of just be on the lookout today. But why does this keep happening? It keeps trying to like, I don't know, like stay in your lane, please. Stop trying to jump over. Oh, Intel hit the stop loss already? Okay, so Intel is an L. Okay. All right, so I'm going to say, like, correlation I see with Intel. Derive does not do well trading Intel. That is an L. It's like the last two Intel trades have been L's. The last one was a swing, but yo, Derive was killing it was kind of killing it for the day trades, and that's the first day trade that they've kind of missed out on. But yeah, when it comes to all the Intels, they've missed. All right, let's see. Yeah, depending on the time frame, we're in a downtrend. So well, actually, yeah, depending on the time frame, we're in a downtrend, but also we're in an uptrend as well. So it really just depends. Like if you look on the 30, we're in an uptrend, and we just bounced from a demand zone. But yeah, kind of depends. But All right, family. That's gonna do it for the day. I'm gonna close out the stream right now. I want to take the time to say, hey, thank you each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Thank y'all for saving us from having to send people to El Salvador as well. Or the prison. I don't know about the country itself. It could be a beautiful, wonderful place to visit. I don't know. I'm sure it has its hidden gems and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. I hope all your stocks and trades move in your favor. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Let's see. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, Julie. Peace out, Devin. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Lucky J. Hold up, I gotta drop an emote for Lucky J. That's low key how I came on the stream feeling this morning. Peace out, Thizzle. Peace out, Jennifer. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Get It Out. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, all. Peace out, Sermi. Peace out, Aaron. Peace out. Oh, I said bye to Julie. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, C Smooth. Hey. Yeah, peace out. Yo, let's get this bread. Let's have a good day. I'm about to go walk this dog. Peace. Oh, and Jerez. Peace out. All right. Peace out. See y'all. Bye.